मी जॉनी सेरेजो, पाली पॅरिस.
मी ब्रांची सेरेजो, पाली पॅरिस.
आणि आमची एंजल टूर बरोबर चौथी ट्रिप. पहिली ट्रिप आम्ही इस्रायलची केली, दुसरी ट्रिप आमची ग्रँड युरोप, तिसरी ट्रिप व्हिएतनाम आणि चौथी आता बाकू आणि जॉर्जिया. एंजल टूर बरोबर आम्ही अगदी मस्त एन्जॉय करतो आणि त्यांच्याबरोबर जाणं आम्हाला अतिशय आवडतं. आणि मी आणखी सर्वांना सांगू इच्छितो की तुम्ही एन्जॉय ट्रूपबरोबरच जा, कारण त्यांचं मॅनेजमेंट इतकं सुंदर आणि अकोमोडेशन आणि खाणंपिणं एवढं सुंदर असतं की दुसऱ्या कशाची आम्ही तुलनाच करू शकतो.
हॉटेल आर व्हेरी बेस्ट.
हॉटेल्स आर एक आणि व्हेरी बेस्ट. आणि आपल्याला सगळं घरच्यासारखं जसं वातावरण असतं असं वाटतं, कुठे बाहेर म्हणजे एकदम एकदम आनंद असतो.
आमची ही या एन्जॉय टूर बरोबर चौथी ट्रिप आहे. खूप चांगला एक्सपिरियन्स आम्हाला आलेला आहे. आम्ही तुम्ही पण या एन्जॉय टूर बरोबर तुम्ही यावं असं आम्हाला वाटतं, कारण इथे आपल्याला अगदी घरच्यासारखं व्यवस्थित वाटतं आणि खूप खूप चांगली ट्रीटमेंट आम्हाला इकडे मिळाली.
Good morning. Hi, we are from Angel Tours and I'm here to tell you we enjoyed the tours. So nice, so beautiful places. Joyce ma'am takes us. She's very efficient and very informative. We feel at home over here. She puts us in the best of hotels. We get the best of foods, we get of ambience, the best of company.
Also, I'd like to mention that we are from Orland and this is our 6th trip with the same company, Angel Tours. And I think we have no regrets and it's going to be a lifetime association because I really never bother about checking with any other travel agent because I'm so happy and contented with all that Joyce provides us. Especially she goes out of her way, very flexible, very patient, especially waiting for people who are always coming late, and then she is really patient with everybody and tries to balance everybody and take care of everyone. And the hotels that she provides are just awesome. So I shall continue my association with her, and this is my 6th trip with them, and I think I'll continue to make some more trips only with Angel Tours.
All the best, Angel Tours.
All the best, and
go
please,
for it, Joyce.
y'all also support her, and y'all will not regret it.
Hello, we are from Orland. We are at Baku at the moment. Our second tour with Angel Travels. Beautiful place, beautiful country, and yes, the tour is really planned, well planned, with lovely hotels and lovely food and all the local variety of food given to us. We're enjoying the place. It's something that we are going to keep in memory always.
We would always love to travel with Joyce because we have tried with other competitors, but we
Prefer this one. We prefer this one.
Joyce,
Thank you, Joyce.
that is the angel.
Yeah. Thank you, Joyce, for the lovely time that you give us when we come to this tour.
Yes, your cooperation will be always, we will appreciate. So people, whenever you are having a tour, do inform us.
I am Mabel Fernandez and my husband Francis Fernandez. We are from Andheri West. This is our second tour with Joyce, our Angel Tours, and we have been to Baku and now in Georgia. Lovely experience. We have been to Baku and now we are in Georgia. Lovely.
Very good.
Yeah.
And we like the all sightseeing which is being shown by her. So good, nicely. The food is very delicious and good. And we enjoyed all the meals, breakfast, everything. The hotels are so good. The ambience is so good. And we enjoyed all the things what we did.
My name is Matilda. I'm from Daisa. This is my first trip with Angel Tours. Introduced to me by my sister-in-law Savita. And right from the start, everything has been arranged very nicely by Joyce and her team from the office. It means I had no problem. They had to come to my house and pick up anything. I didn't have to go anywhere. Just submit all my documents. Anyway, finally we have come to Georgia, and we had a very lovely time in Baku and Georgia. We had the transport was very good. The food was excellent. Both our guides were good, and our drivers too. We had no problem. On the whole, it was a beautiful time I had. Made lots of friends, and I'm looking forward to more trips. I've already asked Joyce for the next year package. I'm looking forward to more trips with Angel Tours.
Yeah, I'm Savita, and this is my second trip with Angel Tours. Yes, this trip was very well arranged, the Baku and Georgia trip, which I was always looking forward to go to, and I did it with Angel Tours. It was a very well arranged, good hotels, good transport, good food, and everything was taken care like individually by Joyce. And a wonderful sightseeing, wonderful crowd. We had lots of fun. We had singing, dancing, lovely time. It was a fun-filled trip, and I'm looking forward for more like trips to do with Angel Tours. All the
Our Azerbaijan and Georgia tour is coming to an end, and I believe this is the right time to give a feedback. And must say, this tour has been a great surprise to me. I had to first go and search for their office, then I had to convince myself that I have to join this tour. And now that I've come, I have no regrets. I really love the food. We all had local cuisine, and that is what we look for when we first travel. And the hotels too were very amazing, and everything was taken care of. We thank and would like to come again with Angel Tours. Thanks, Joyce, for everything.
Thank you, Joyce. This was an amazing trip. We had a very good time. Hotels were good. Food was lovely. We always looked out to having local food. We didn't want the Indian food at all. Sightseeing also were good. And all the time, all adjustments that you made for us, we really had a good time. And we look forward to coming again with this group and the prayers and everything that we got together, which we didn't enjoy in Kesari. We had this here, but it was really amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Joyce, for the great experience, the great stays, the sightseeing, everything was wonderful. Got to experience all the local meals and cuisines apart from Indian cuisine, so it was really great. Thank you so much.